Imagine a new generation of smart TVs with the power to make you feel everything. With our enhanced gaming features, you can win like your team depends on it and enjoy instant access to cloud gaming. Experience immersive audio that places you inside the scene.
Okay, wait. I found them. They're safe.
Constant audio analysis keeps dialogue super clear. With greater connectivity, our latest smart TVs give you even more control. Looks like dinner's ready. Simon's early, smart. With our best picture quality ever, enjoy the great outdoors from the great indoors in stunning, lifelike detail. Whoever you are, wherever you are, our new generation of smart TVs will take you to other worlds and beyond. Get ready for more wow.
Hello, welcome to Unbox and Discover 2023. Last year, we revealed our vision for ComTech. And ever since, we have been wondering, is our tech changing your life for the better? Samsung is a leader of innovations, but our focus is not on the technology itself. We want to make sure that customers enjoy our products and that our product's experience is intuitive, easy, and stress-free. Even 40 years ago, when there was far less technology, people suffered from techno stress. How about now? Life is overloaded with technology. Today, the average consumer uses dozens of devices every day. Meanwhile, technology continues to evolve. Keeping up can be daunting. That is why, in the spirit of ComTech, Samsung is focused on solving problems before the user even knows they exist. That effort led us to today, and the 5 foundations of smart things. Let's start with instant connection. We cut down device connection from 5 steps to 1 step. As soon as users unbox a new device, it's automatically connected. All you have to do is just simply enjoy the synergy created by Team Samsung. Next, SmartThings does the work of connecting devices for you. Your TV or mobile connects with other Team Samsung devices, like your refrigerator, washer, dryer, and air conditioner, and links them all together. Works like magic every time. Another major pillar is our hub everywhere strategy. We made the IoT simple by building IoT hubs right into a variety of Samsung products. You don't even have to know what IoT or dongles are, or need to buy connectors. This setup is easy. The devices literally do it on their own. Then there is our expansive compatibility reaching far beyond just Team Samsung. Instead of limiting your choices to a single brand, we helped form the Home Connectivity Alliance so that all your favorite devices, regardless brands, can work together seamlessly. In addition, we are paving the way forward with Matter, an international IoT communication standard with more than 220 global companies. Through all this, we are creating a truly hyper-connected world. Last but not least, one of the most important foundation of all, SmartThings security. Users may worry that device connectivity can lead to sharing private data without consent. This is where the Samsung Knox Vault chip comes in. PIN numbers, IoT keys, as well as information from your connected devices are fully encrypted and stored in this small chip. Your security is our key priority, and with this technology, Neo QLED 8K is already the most secure TV out there. And building on this groundwork, we are expanding the value of ComTech even further. ComTech is about more than convenience. It ties to the core values of ESG and Samsung's belief in making life better through technology. So we also focus on eco-conscious technologies across the entire life cycle of products, from product sourcing and production to distribution, use, and recycling. Simply by choosing Samsung, consumers take part in eco-conscious practices, and in all of this, we don't compromise the user experience. It's a never-ending effort, so everyone gets the maximum enjoyment from our products. That includes those who have difficulty seeing or hearing. This year, we introduced Illumino mode for people with low vision. Now, users can watch content with or without Illumino mode on the same screen at the same time. So our viewing experience brings everyone together. This year, Samsung TVs, under the concept more wow than ever, will amaze users with new technologies for the ultimate viewing experience. However, all the technologies used to create this new level of wonder will be quiet and calm. So sit back and enjoy the best TV we've ever made. Oh, just one thing. Prepare to be more wowed than ever.
Our promise is to work closely with our consumers at every step of the product lifecycle, from sourcing and production to distribution, use, and finally, recycling. Let's start with sourcing and production. We're taking the lead in 3 ways: recycling CO2, using fewer materials, and upcycling materials. We also developed injection technology that can reduce the usage of raw material without altering the quality of the product. It injects air into the mold to partially replace resin, eliminating the need to inject the materials as tightly as before. This has helped reduce the weight of our 65-inch TVs by 1 kilogram. Let's move on to distribution. First, we cut down on oil-based ink printed on the cardboard and took out all metal staples and replaced them with glue. Boxes are faster to assemble and easier to take apart and recycle. We also made the packaging smaller, so everything requires fewer materials and less space. We made sure to pay attention to the inside of our packaging as well, especially to reduce plastic. Now, all our bags, box clips, and straps are made from more than 50% recycled plastic. And we've changed the plastic tapes and coils into paper. Now, let's talk about how our products are being used. This is a key part of the life cycle, and we're constantly innovating to help our users save energy. Right from your phone or TV, you can easily activate AI energy mode and monitor energy consumption and usage patterns. This puts you in control of your household energy consumption We also develop features to help you save electricity while watching TV. AI Energy Mode can even analyze the content playing on the screen and separate the main subject from the background with AI technology to distribute light accordingly. For example, background trees will be dimmed while keeping the main character bright. This helps reduce power consumption without distracting you from the content. In other words, we can continue delivering great product experiences while also helping you save energy. And one more thing before we move on to recycling. Our third generation solar cell remote was recently launched. We introduced it for the first time in 2021, and we have continued to upgrade it. The first generation remote could be charged by sunlight through the solar panel. The second generation used radio frequency harvesting technology for indoor charging. And for our third generation, we enhanced the design with a single chip, using fewer materials and making it more compact. We even opened the patent on the technology, so the remotes can be built by anyone. From the very beginning of our products, to the moment our customers retire them and move on to the next one, we've created innovative designs and treatment processes that breathe new life into what would otherwise be thrown out. We want to make TV accessible for everyone. Samsung Electronics has been working with a variety of partner organizations to develop a comprehensive range of accessibility features. This year, we developed Relumino Mode. It's designed to help people with visual impairments more easily watch content. The technology received a CES Innovation Award, and we could not be more proud of it and its potential to make a difference in people's lives. And when you switch to Relumino Together Mode, everyone can enjoy content from the same screen at the same time and share great moments. Samsung is working hard to deliver the value of calm technology and sustainability to our customers around the world. And we never lose sight of the importance of innovation. When you put together all the technology we're going to show you today, it's a complete wow experience in every way. From lifelike picture quality to richer sound quality and larger screens, not to mention the expansion of consumer choice. Remember when we launched QLED 8K in 2018? That set the bar high for true-to-life resolution and immersive viewing experiences. It's an amazing premium screen. But a lot of consumers asked us, is there enough 8K content to make it worthwhile? Absolutely. There's a whole new world of 8K content out there waiting for you to enjoy. And to make sure you can find them easily, we partnered with YouTube. It's right here on the home UI. That's right, it recommends trending 8K content for you. All you have to do is just pick up your remote and start enjoying it. And here's another cool thing. From this year, our upgraded 2023 NFT universe lets you enjoy NFTs in amazing 8K resolution. What about the gamers out there? We didn't forget you. Gaming on an 8K screen will truly take you to the next level. For gamers, large screens and deep immersion are everything. With the launch of our high-performance graphic cards supporting 8K resolution, gamers get everything they're looking for. Incredible reality and immersion on our Neo QLED 8K. For those who want lifelike picture quality for regular TV shows, meet our 2023 Real Depth Enhancer Pro, which has been upgraded with AI technology. It studies the areas on the screen where the eyes are focused and heightens the contrast ratio, capturing all the details with 14-bit gradation expression for a 3D-like viewing experience, even if your content isn't native 8K. Our 8K AI upscaling kicks in to intelligently tune it to 8K quality. With the introduction of Auto HDR remastering in 2023, we can even remaster normal SDR content by applying HDR effects with AI deep learning. The AI technology analyzes each scene to make them more colorful and vivid, bringing out the details in both bright and dark spots. We can do the same for audio. Adaptive Sound Pro works in real time to analyze the genre of the content and the audio in each scene to provide the best adaptive sounds based on the space you're in. Whether you're watching sports channels, movies, or TV shows, our upgraded sound will make your viewing experience even more immersive. On top of that, when the screen is matched with the Q Series soundbar, which features true 11.1.4 channel audio and wireless Dolby Atmos, you could enjoy the sound to the fullest. Our new 2023 Q Symphony 3.0 amplifies the synergy effect with Neural Quantum Processor to finally separate voice from background sounds. This gives you clear and dynamic sound effects optimized for every scene. With a harmony created from 22 channels, enjoy complete wow theater experience like being teleported into a concert hall. To let you enjoy all these amazing benefits from an even larger screen, we added a 98-inch model this year. Isn't it amazing? It will give you yet another option, along with our 65-inch, 75-inch, and 85-inch screens. We've also refined the design for this year's lineup. Crafted to remove all distractions, our Infinity One design provides absolute beauty founded in minimalism. Samsung's upgraded attachable Slim One Connect and ultra-thin metal stand elevate the Neo QLED 8K flagship design even further, enriching your space with elegance and seamlessness. We're also expanding consumer choice by adding a new model to our premium screen lineup, Samsung OLED. In fact, we made it even better by taking the Neural Quantum Processor 4K. So, on top of the amazing true blacks of self-luminous OLED, we've added extra value by enabling bright and colorful picture quality that's stunningly natural, while also providing perfect contrast and color expression. Both super bright and dark scenes will come to life in incredible detail and contrast ratio with the Brightness Booster. And speaking of accuracy, the Neural Quantum Processor's 4K's perceptual color mapping guarantees immaculate color fidelity, making our OLEDs the world's first Pantone-validated HDR OLED. And they look amazing in your space. The S95C uses Samsung's signature Infinity One design, boasting elegant slimness from top to bottom. It looks beautiful on a stand, and it blends seamlessly mounted on the wall, too. There is also an S90C model, which uses our Laser Slim design. The aesthetic is true to the name of the design, all about elegance, with a sophisticated metal finish. Choose a model that matches your style and interior. So, we have amazing image quality. It's beautiful to look at. What's left? Audio. It has a great sound system too, bringing together a multi-channel speaker setup that's built in with Dolby Atmos and OTS Plus technology. The immersive three-dimensional sound experience is out of this world. OLED with the ultra slim soundbar is a stunningly elegant and slim duo, but the sound experience is truly off the charts. This incredibly thin yet powerful OLED is now available in 3 sizes, with the addition of our 77-inch model to join the 55-inch and 65-inch lineup. With our expanded selection of Neo QLED 8K screens, as well as our OLED screens, experience a whole new level of wow. Many people are gaming these days, but we all have different styles, right? And that means we need different types of screens, too. So we went back to basics and spent a lot of time listening to gamers. Thousands of them. And based on what we heard, we designed screens and features that better meet their diverse needs. Here's what we came up with. First, we wanted to develop an all-in-one platform gaming experience that lets you easily find the title you like and get right into it. No downloads, no storage limits, and no console required. Just use your existing game controller and play. So last year, we launched Samsung Gaming Hub, our all-in-one platform virtual console dedicated to gaming. Now, thanks to partnerships with the top names in game streaming, Xbox, NVIDIA GeForce Now, Amazon Luna, and Utomic, anyone can play their favorite titles at high performance speed right from the cloud, without a console or PC. If you have a wireless Bluetooth gamepad, you can use it to control the screen without a remote. And 90% of the gamepads in the market are compatible. And we know gamers crave speed, so we added low latency technology to let you dive into gorgeous 4K resolution graphics and buttery smooth gameplay with game streaming services like NVIDIA GeForce Now. It's the same kind of seamless, smooth control you'd expect from a console. Choose from thousands of top games and stream them right to your TV. No console required. And Gaming Hub isn't just a TV thing. It's also on our smart monitors, our Odyssey gaming monitors, and our portable projector, the Freestyle. Now you can play seamlessly, whenever and wherever. Gamers also told us they need lots of on-screen controls without having to hunt through menus. So we made Game Bar, putting pro gamer controls and upgraded features right in front of your eyes. Minimaps are another key tool for gamers. Our Minimap Zoom used to only be available for 21:9 or 32:9 screens. Now, it works on 16:9 aspect ratio screens too, for both PC and console games. As you can see, you can move it around and zoom in on different areas of the minimap. Some gamers want to pull up their minimap on a separate monitor and enlarge it, like this. So, the all-new 2023 Game Bar uses mirroring technology, letting you put the minimap on a tablet or side monitor with just a click. And here's another thing we added, the Virtual Aim Point feature for faster and more precise shooting in FPS games. Victory can be a heartbeat away, just like using a cheat code. Gamers now want setups that deliver an incredibly immersive experience with larger screens and ultra-fast response times. That's where the new mega-sized 2023 Odyssey models come in. Odyssey sets the standard for 32:9 monitors, and we're now ready with next-gen immersive gaming experiences on our 57-inch Odyssey Neo G9. It is the world's first dual UHD resolution using a 1000R curved screen to provide the most lifelike gaming experience yet. Now, what about performance? In the world of first-person shooter games, a gamer's fate often gets decided in a split second, which makes fast response times absolutely critical. For our need for speed gamers, the 49-inch Odyssey OLED G9 features a 0.03 millisecond response time and a 240 Hz refresh rate. Fast enough? Definitely. The combination of the OLED panel and Samsung Neo Quantum Processor Pro provides unrivaled picture quality, not to mention the beautiful ultra-slim metal design. With Odyssey Neo G9 and OLED G9, Samsung will continue to solidify its position as a leader in the ultra-wide gaming monitor market in 2023. Play big, win big. Okay, one last thing to round out the gaming picture. We are seeing an increasing number of gamers who enjoy playing a wide variety of titles, regardless of their format and genre, from one screen. These gamers tend to prefer a 27-inch monitor for FPS and RTS games, but when it comes to adventure games and racing games, that's when they want something larger. And you know, they're not just playing the game, they're also multitasking, listening to music, chatting, watching gaming live streams, you name it. For this complex setup, gamers need multiple screens, speakers, and other accessories. That usually makes for what I call cable spaghetti. However, Odyssey Arc clears through all that clutter. First, gamers can choose to rotate the screen vertically or horizontally, depending on their desired experience. That instantly gives them super immersive gaming on a 55-inch 1000R curved screen, and with a powerful sound system. Second, they can also easily multitask through multi-view, with various layout options for different functions. Oh, and the Arc Dial. This dedicated controller makes it easy to change screen size and configuration on the fly, letting you enjoy the Odyssey Arc experience to the fullest. Because we know you'll ask, Odyssey Arc has a 165 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, plus 6 speaker modules, including woofers and a Dolby Atmos sound system. It also comes with a load of smart features, including Samsung Gaming Hub, so users can get the most out of the gaming and media experience on their device. There you have it, a screen for every gamer. Thank you, everyone, for joining this year's Unbox and Discover. I hope you enjoyed it. As you saw today, we put experience front and center. And this year, I believe those experiences will be even better, with our best TV providing more wow than ever before. Thanks for joining us, and see you at next year's Unbox and Discover.